Hello coders, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to set up e-commerce website on your PC or laptop. This e-commerce website is featured with Bitcoin payment gateway. So without wasting the time, let's start. Before starting, make sure that XAMPP server is installed in your PC. To ensure that, click on the Google and right here XAMPP download, and here is the first link. Click here, and after that click on this first download button. After the downloading, something like this appears. Now after that, you start the Apache server and the MySQL server, and rest of all should remain as it is. Now after this, just minimize it. Now your local host server is ready. Now you open the new browser and click on this link. This link is given in the description. Press enter. After that, you have to download this source code. So for that, just click on e-commerce section and download the link here. So after the downloading, it will take some time and download will start, as you can see here. Yes, our e-commerce folder is ready. Now we'll switch to our e-commerce folder. So for that, we'll press back. We'll search for the download here. So download. Now in the download folder, the zip folder is ready here. Now just click on this and click on extract all. Click extract. Yes, now wait for a few seconds and your extracted folder will be ready. So our extracted folder is ready. Now click on the extracted folder and rename it. So we'll rename it as commerce, e-commerce. Now simply copy this and move to the C folder. So we'll search for the C folder here. So click on this PC, click on C folder. After that, click on XAMPP. After that, click on htdoc. After that, we have to paste the folder over here. So just paste it. It will take few seconds, and now your folder is ready. Now we'll search for the folder that is e-commerce. So our folder e-commerce is right here. Now we open the tab and right here localhost slash e-commerce and again slash e-commerce and press enter. Why I write two e-commerce over here is because here two folders with the same name e-commerce are there, here also and back here also. That's the reason. Now here are some of the errors showing. Now how to solve this? To solve this, we have to again open a new tab and right here localhost slash. After pressing enter, we'll click on phpMyAdmin, and this is our database. Now we need to set up the database according to this project. So here we'll click on new, and here we'll write e-commerce app and just click on create. Now e-commerce app database is created. Now we need to add a table over here. So we'll just click on import and choose file, and after this we'll go in the same PC section, that is C drive, and in C drive XAMPP and htdoc. In the same folder we are going. Now here we will again search for e-commerce. Click on it, click on e-commerce, and here we will search for the SQL file. So here is the SQL file. We'll just click on it and click on open. After that, scroll down and click on go. After clicking on go, it will take some time, and after that all the SQL query is being executed. So we have to wait for few more seconds. Until then, I'll pause the video. Okay, all query are executed successfully. Now again we visit to e-commerce website and click refresh. Now it is successfully connected with the database and all the things are showing perfectly. Now if you want to log in to the user, then you can write here the name of the user, that is Syed Khan 205 at the rate gmail.com, and password is Syed and 786, any random password. Just log in and you are logged in. If you want to buy using Bitcoin, then you have to add it to the cart, and there are 3 items in the cart. Now show in Bitcoin, then it will show all the result in a Bitcoin. If you want to buy in a Bitcoin, then pay with Bitcoin. Now you can see the total amount. You can scan the QR code and pay this much of the BTC. Now move back. If you want a home delivery or payment after the delivery, then just click on checkout and your order is placed successfully. So after this, we'll move to the next section, that is the price of these products are fluctuable. Means that if the BTC price is less, then the value displayed here will be less. If the BTC price will be more, then the value displayed here also will be more. It also has the admin section. Now to access the admin section, we need to write this code. Press enter. Now here is the admin login panel. He can create the product, manage the brands, categories, and look the customer details. As you can see here, here's the dashboard. He can delete and perform a various tasks. So we'll again move back to the user section. So for user section, just delete this and we'll visit to the user section. I hope you like this project. If you like this project, please subscribe my channel. I will be posting projects with source code. You can add these projects to your resume so that you can get shortlisted. Thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.